So good day everyone, my name is Atuel from CPE2A and I'm going to discuss to you the output of the program. So here, uh, basically the output shows that there are 5 philosophers that are currently thinking, and when they get hungry, each philosophers needs 2 forks for them to continue to eat. So and during this process, 5 philosophers will be first one to take 2 forks. So considering that these forks are not occupied by other philosopher, so since philosopher 5 meets the condition, philosopher 5 can now continue to eat. After eating, philosopher will put forks down that it will be vacant, so and so on. Philosopher 5 will think again for the meantime until he will get hungry again. So overall, the output shows that each philosopher who gets hungry needs to check first if there are available forks adjacent for them to use. So the next philosopher can proceed to think and hungry and to eat, and gets the forks, put the forks down and think again. Uh, the output or the output of each philosopher will continue and will not end and repeat because the program is in loop. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Vinson from section CPE2A, and I will be discussing the coding part of the PIT. So basically, there are 3 states for the program. These 3 states are thinking, hungry, and eating. These will be the actions that the philosophers will do. As you can see, we defined these states. We also included these 4 libraries above it so that the program will work. The left and right refers to the movement of the 5 philosophers. We initialized state n and also an array 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 as representation for the 5 philosophers and is used to control their behavior. In this part of the code, void test int phnum is where the philosophers will do the action of eating. We created an if statement where if the current state of one philosopher is hungry, and if the left and right side philosophers are currently not eating, then that philosopher can eat. State phnum equals eating is the indicator that that one philosopher is currently eating. We use the sleep method to wait, and we also use the printf method to display the action. In the void take fork int phnum, the philosophers will enter the state of being hungry. We use the printf method to display the current philosopher that is currently eating. It will execute test phnum if there are no philosophers that are currently eating. If there is currently someone eating, it will wait for them to finish. The void put fork int phnum is where the philosophers will enter the state of thinking, and the void asterisk philosophers void asterisk num is where the while loop takes place. The int main part of the code is where we will initialize variable I and the semaphores. We also declared 3 for loops. The second for loop is where we will create the philosopher processes, which will then be displayed to the user. The second for loop is where we will create the philosopher processes, which will then be displayed to the user. And that ends our video. Thank you for watching.